And here is a fact less acknowledged. Around a third of Belgrade has no connection to drainage systems and instead relies on septic tanks that trucks empty straight into rivers. The sewage dumped on the banks of the Danube has now tainted the famous European river. Our next report tells you more.
The daily practice of dumping sewage on the banks of the Danube has proven to be absolutely disastrous for those who live off the fruits of this river. A practice which has long been ignored is now a major cause of concern. All of the unfiltered wastewater has been emptied into the second largest river of the continent.
We drink water from the Danube. We live on it. We used to swim in it. Now we go to some seas where we can't leave anything behind and we drop everything here. We are destroying ourselves.
The Danube has for years cleansed itself, all thanks to its size and power. But it now seems that the damage is way past the point of return. Roughly 190 million cubic meters of wastewater or 60,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools are poured into the river annually, according to estimates made by the Infrastructure Minister. As a result, the Danube is now home to disease-spreading bacteria, which, if consumed, can be highly infectious.
We have killed all our rivers. We will kill this one too. The Danube is a very strong and powerful river that carries pollution, but it can't do it anymore. It used to have a coastline and it was flowing. Now there isn't any of that left. It is 3 meters deep in the middle of the river and it used to be 20 meters deep.
In January, Belgrade authorities signed an agreement with the China Machinery Engineering Corporation to start work on a wastewater treatment plant for the city. But construction hasn't started as Serbia is yet to allocate funds for this project in its budget. Serbia is an EU candidate country which hopes to join the bloc by 2025. Its environmental record is a major obstacle, with the country needing a €5 billion investment to build the necessary eco-friendly infrastructure. In late July, the Serbian president announced that 70 municipalities around the country will get water purifying plants and sewage systems. But there has been no news since. Bureau Report, WION World is One.